So you might be in a situation where your iPhone camera is randomly blurry. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the main reason why this may end up happening for some people is if you actually go through within your iPhone camera and you actually see as soon as you boot it up, it gets a little bit more blurrier than usual. The main reason why this ends up happening for the most part is because your specific phone, for the most part, is actually having a blurry camera on the back. So you want to go and turn your iPhone around and you want to take a close look at this specific lens. So just go ahead and make sure that this specific lens is cleaned out and there's nothing obstructing the view from the outside of the specific camera, at least looking away. A lot of the times if you actually have a camera that looks like this, you may see that it can randomly have some weird stuff going around, so just clean it out the best you can, and that's basically going to be the main way you can go ahead and basically fix this issue as far as I can tell. Now, another thing you're going to want to go ahead and do for the most part is just to go ahead and make sure that within your iPhone camera, it is actually, not affected by the hardware or within the lenses if you're, too close or too far. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and change the duration or the zoom of the camera. So you can go try zooming into the camera if you can, also try zooming out of the camera. If you can use a different lens of the camera, that might be another way you can go and kind of fix this issue as well. On top of that, if that's not working, you may want to go ahead and try seeing if there's an update available for your iPhone. So what you can try doing is making your way over to your iPhone settings, just like this, clicking on your general settings, just like so, and then clicking on software update and seeing if there's an update available for your device. If there is, I would recommend pretty much just going through and updating your software of your device. That's another thing I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working or if there's no updates available, just try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, go and power it on, power it back off. That might be another way you can fix the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.